Hey guys. Um, so I get an iPod Touch for Christmas, day after I jailbreak it, and I just wanted to show off my current theme. Right now I have tap to unlock instead of slide, with a binary code ticking clock, which I can't even read. I think I have to be blind to read that. I don't know. So that's what I have for my lock screen, and here is my springboard. I have 5 eye rows, which gives me 20 icons per page instead of the traditional 16. Then I have 5 icon dock, which I swapped out to get InfiniDock, which lets me have an unlimited amount of apps in my dock. I like to keep it at 10, just so I can mess around and do that to impress people. And then I have Make It Mine, which lets me customize the text in my status bar. I have SB settings, which gives me a built-in control panel for my iPod, which I set to be accessed from my lock screen. So that's kind of a cool feature. And then, so InfiniDock, 5 iRows. Let's get into the theme. Go into winter board here. I have user wallpaper at the very top because I like this wallpaper. And then it goes down to nicer tap to unlock and binary code lock screen, which you saw already. The Willdta theme. I love, love, love that theme. Has the best icons in the world. It goes perfectly with my wallpaper. Don't you agree? Yeah, you do. And then iComplete, which goes right under Willdta. So everything Willdta doesn't have in his theme, iComplete will basically compensate for it. Like, you can tell Willdta did not make an make an icon for PSX for iPhone because that icon is different from the rest of them. You can tell that's an iComplete icon, and then my SB settings also is from the iComplete theme. And then so iComplete basically, yeah, it just runs in the background to make my theme look all that much cleaner. Like if I go into Safari here, you can see that's a Willdta thing. Willdta icons, all that. But if you Google something, like say I Google hello, the little loading thing in the status bar, that is iComplete. So yeah, just little stuff that Willdta doesn't have, iComplete makes up for. So moving on from the theme, free music. How do I get free music? I go into DTunes here. DTunes is an app that instead of connecting up to iTunes, it loads into a downloads folder in private/far/mobile, all that. You can find that folder by SSHing into your iPod, and then it'll play music in an iPod looking media player, and then it'll play music just like that, and it'll play it while you're doing something else, but you have to go and toggle it yourself. So music I've downloaded, I haven't downloaded a whole lot with this. I only do this when I'm not near my computer. And then what this does, it comes with a built-in browser where the home page is set to a free MP3 site. Right now it's set to BMP3, which is pretty reliable. I have to say, I've never done it before, and it's a pretty nice site. So that's how I get my free music. If you download an MP4, an MPEG-4, from Safari, it'll download to this folder, and you can play it within DTunes. I've done it before. It was actually with a video on how to further jailbreak your iPod, but it wasn't on YouTube. It was on some random site. So I downloaded the MP4 and it played straight in DTunes. So that's a pretty cool feature. Then free movies. Let's go to my videos here. I have a bunch of movies here, most of which are bootlegs. I get those from it's an app. I don't have the app anymore because I found a quicker way to do it, but it's an app that lets you download. That was before I jailbroke, so I had the app that lets you download free movies, and yeah, it just downloaded straight to a folder, and you could view the movies right there. It was really nice. It was a bootleg site filled and filled with movies. That's just how I got all my movies. And it's in a Ty's iPhone help video. I'm sure you know him. Um, Free music, free videos, free apps. Free apps, I go to Installus, which is basically a cracked app store. A bunch of people crack apps and they come up as .ipa files. You download the file, then you install it, and then it will install straight to your Springboard, and it will look and act like the actual app. Stuff I've downloaded with Installus are Doodle Jump, pretty fun. Rope and Fly, also pretty fun. I've downloaded, what else? Beaterator. It's a pretty crappy beat maker, if I have to say. Um, so yeah, free music, free movies, free apps. I have yet to see a downside to jailbreaking. But yeah, I just wanted to show off my theme and what is on my iPod. So yeah, comment if you like this. Comment if you don't like this. 5-star this either way. And yeah, I will see you later. Bye.